cold nightmares, but no sweat. In reality of her, I can't stand next to anything. She shattered, trying to swallow pain with no bladder. Steady rising from defeat with no ladder. Seeing death in the eye wouldn't matter. To only realize that when I gave her life, my love gave birth to the feeling that this was God's plan. Earth, wind, and fire, powers of the lands. As we walked hand in hand with the earth. But the sun cried, cause your talk for forever was your lie. Was it worth it to let me die? I'm still standing from love's crime. Life in a world with no demands. A life with pride can never stand a chance. A flight I take to see a heartland. Every love deserves to see what truth can. Bring the light no matter the dark fight. Try being your hero, saving you from the night. You told me with your eye touch, no iPod, staring in your eyes was just no trust. Your mind was already been made up. Windows to your soul became tinted. Remnants of what we had was fermented. Drunk in my thoughts and vision. I close my eyes, the angels want me to listen. To my heart, the only thing that was missing. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. So many chances, so many answers. The reasons we are far from advantage. The reason we go away to manage. The way we feel about love, about life. And all the things in it. I said it before the plan was written. Giving a life what it is giving me. To help you make this difference. Javier Forte.